affects something outside the scope. This function. When the function does that, right? So let's say there's a function here now. Function add. The function, okay, sorry. The function is meant to add two numbers, right? Let's go. Let's do this. This is a mistake on my part. Okay. So the numbers are A and B. All right. And the let's say we're going to return A plus B. And then let's call this function consider log add and passing 2 and 3. So is this a pure function or an impure function? It's a pure function. Why? Why the function? Okay. So it does not change anything. So yeah. So yeah, that's true actually. So yes, side effects. Let's say we want to create side effect now. Can something like let z equal to 0 or z equal to 1. And I can say z z plus quality. I don't know if you can do this. Tried before. Okay. When we consider log z, what are we gonna get? What then what we get when we consider log z? 6. Okay. So we get 6. Set 7. So we get 6 actually. So now the value of z is outside this function, right? But this function is modifying it in one way or the other, and it's changing the value. So let's say there's a way you need to use z plus 10, right? So this is another value. You're expecting z to be 1, but then you're not getting z to be 1, you're getting z to be 6. It's because then you know, okay, I want to consider log x is log x. We have that our x is going to be 16, right? But we think or we thought our x is 1 here, our z is 1, but obviously our z here is 6. So this is an impure function. Is it clear? Is this clear? Yeah. So let me ask again, what is a pure function and what's an impure function? I'm asking again. Anybody can answer again. If you have answered before, you can answer again. If not answered before, you can still answer. If you have a better example from than what I already explained. What is a pure and an impure function? And what are side effects? So three questions. What is a pure function? What's an impure function? And what are side effects? So you can answer the three of them. You can answer two. You can answer one. As many as you want. Yeah, sure. Returns the same thing over again. Does a specific task. Okay, this function does a specific task too now. So it's like when you say something does a specific task, it means it just does one thing, right? So yeah, that's not a good definition for a pure function. Yes. So it's like saying, what is good? Good is anything that is not bad. That's basically what it is. That's what you're saying. A pure function will obviously not have an effect. That's why it's pure. So what does that even mean? That was just to say. Okay. You guys can take turns. Anybody can start. Yeah. Okay. 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 That's true. Okay. What are side effects? Hmm. Somebody should mute. Uh, someone, somebody should mute so that she can continue. Okay. 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 Mm-hmm. Okay. Thank you. So that's actually it. Any of us wants to just chip in one or two things. Somebody else wants to say something, or we should just continue. Okay. Seems like the person doesn't want to say anything again. Thank you, Ma, for your explanation. That was actually very, very correct. We're going to move on now. I think we've hammered on this thing for quite a while. So yeah. We also talked about return values, right? Well, let me ask you a question. When I have a function, right, and I don't return anything, I do two plus three. Or is it let's why? When I return from when I consider log this add function, what am I going to get? I pass in this to y. Okay, what if I now no. Okay, what if I now do return price? What am I going to get to the console? Does everybody agree with how does everybody have another view? What do you think? What do you guys think? Am I going to get rice or am I going to get beans or am I going to get A plus B? Yeah. What would I get to my console? Yeah. Yes. So you're sure the answer is rice, right? Hmm? Yeah, so when I consider a log add, what am I going to get? Rice. Okay. Rice. No problem. That's correct. Okay, let me ask another question. Same thing, but I just want to test. So if people don't answer this question, what kind of question you want? Ah, let me just do this. So what am I going to get when I console or log this function? No, no, Joyce, not you, Joyce, not you. Not you. Somebody else. Let's say for what else? Five. Okay. What if I do this? What do I get? Five, have you? Okay. I'm fine. Five. I'm fine. Okay. Let me get to that. Please, when you give me reasons, give me your. When you give me answer, give me your reason. What do you think? Why will I get five? Will I get five? Why? So, any other person wants to go or do the answer? You can still give me reasons. Why? Okay. I can't hear you. Network is not good enough. Am I still on this call? Were you saying anything? Five. Okay. Samuel, can you mute? Samuel, mute. Thank you. Okay, so you said five, right? Okay, let me play it so I can show you guys. I get undefined. Oh my god, undefined. Why? Why I get undefined? Okay. Okay. So how do I return it? What do I do? Where do I put the return? Should I put it? Should I put it here? Okay, no. Let me do something. Let me do return. So when I consider log, this what am I when I consider log add. What should I get? Can't tell me. Now there's a return keyword now, but when I consider log add, what do I get? Okay. Let me confirm. Does anybody have any other? Okay. That's undefined. Why is return undefined? How do I fix it? Okay. Okay. Five. So what if I now do five plus a plus b? What will I get? What will I get when I consider log my add? I still get okay. You guys know JavaScript too. Gurus in the house. These are gurus in the house. Oh. Sorry for Nana for the teach me like this. Oh. These are gurus. Oh. Alright, let's continue. I'm just better with you guys. I expected you guys to. Okay, so now let's move on. I think that explains what's going on here. We know what's going on here. If once you can figure out what all these things you just did, right, you can get the whole point of having a return value, right? So yeah, yeah. What's the question? Can anybody help? What's up? What he's saying is when I did this, right? I I did this. So it's returning five. You return five. And then I play it. So I return five. It's only for what? No. If it's returning a single thing, if it's returning a single thing, you're going for the curly braces. If you're returning more than one thing. If in this place now I want to do some calculations like okay, A plus B, and then I'll now do something like okay, A plus B, I'll now say let's say okay. I say A plus B, and now something like what can I do now? I can say select Y is equals to this. And now do something like uh let Z is equals to an entire. I see Z dot push Y. Z. So now this is a very good case where you actually cannot use one. Like you're basically doing a lot of things in this function. You're getting the value of x and y, and then you're pushing y into z, right? So now at this point you need to have like this is the only way you can work. You can't say you want to do this in one line, except you're a cultist like me. I can do it in one line, but I'm not going to show you guys how to do it because nobody else is a cultist like me. That's good. Unless you guys ask so much questions. Any other question? Okay. Hope you understand. Yes. You're doing a lot of competition, have like some stuff done, and then you need to return like your final result from the competition. So that's when you use your calibration. Okay, so okay, yeah, you're welcome. So I don't want to talk about this part. So control flow is basically is the being of every application, right? It means your logical operations. When your program contains more than one statement, the statements are executed as if they are a story from top to bottom, just like Nigerian currency. This example program has two statements. The first one asks the user for a number, and the second one, which is executed after the first, shows the square of the number. So you can say pick a number, right? And then gives you a number. Then your number is the square root of number times number. So just like saying I give you a number and the number is so two, one. The number is two, and you say the z times z. is a 4. So I'm saying Z is the square root of Z times Z. Is this true or false? Is this true or false? Look at this mathematics, so this logic. Is this correct? Is Z the square root of Z times Z? Okay, yes, the answer is yes. 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 is the square root of 4. So basically, that's what you guys doing here. Your number is the square root of the number times number. So it's just common sense. The function number converts a value to number. So um, we need the conversion because the result of prompt is a string value and want a number. There are similar functions called string and boolean that convert values to those types. So here's another trivial schematic representation of straight line or a straight line control flow. So we're discussing about conditional execution now. Not all programs are straight road. We may, for example, want to create a branching road when the program takes the proper branch based on the situation at hand. This is called conditional execution. So conditional execution is created when the if keyword in JavaScript, the if keyword in JavaScript, in a simple case, we want some code to be executed if and only if a certain condition is held or holds. We might, for example, want to show the square of the input only if the input is actually a number. So now this is going to get a number, right? And it's going to show you the square only if this number is actually a number. So if you do number, though it's not a number, and you get that this number is not a number, it's not going to show you, it's not going to run this condition. Okay, so that was basically if statements are a way to have your code. Um, okay, let me do something. Let me just do something. Let me just get. Let Z is equal to 2. If Z if Z is is greater than or equal to 2, this is equal to your log. Okay. This code run. If I play this button, I'm going to get what will I get? Will this code run? Let's see why am I going to say welcome? Why? Okay. Oh, we have engineers in this place. So yeah, it works. That's true. Okay, so let me also bring something nice. Let me also bring something. Yeah, so this is a for loop. I want to write a for loop. Let I is equal to 0. Everyone knows a basic for loop here now, right? We're all good familiar with basic for loops. Why am I getting this? Why am I getting this error? What's going on here? I've been just not to write for loop again. You ask me what to open my new in public. That is I anyway. Okay, I didn't use I anyway. Okay. Laptop is basically slow for now. So I'll just continue. Okay, so I want to ask, tell me if I consider log I, right? What am I going to get? And why? I want you to tell me when this code will stop running and what will make this code stop running and why it's going to stop running. Yours is 10. Why? Why? Okay, what if I now do this? What if I do this? What's going to get? Go to 10. Which one, Uncle? Okay. Okay, so why? JavaScript, you have to have a why. You said when the condition gets what? I is less than 10. Okay. So when is the condition going to be false? What at what point? So what number is I that will make it less than not less than 10? 9. 9.9 is not less than 10. Jesus Christ. Hey. 9.9 is not less than 10. Okay, so at what point will this code stop running? I want to know like what point will this code break? At 9. Ah, thank you. Thank you for having sense. Thank you, sir. At 10, when I get to 10, this loop will break. True or false? Can you see it now? Yes, but when will the code break? That's the question. Thank you. That's what I wanted to hear all this one. Hmm? What do you say? I can't hear you. I'm not saying anything now. I think someone just explained it now. Can you so can you just explain again so that you can understand? Explain to our brother here. Hope somebody has gotten the shock of their life today. You know, the beautiful thing about JavaScript is like it's in the smallest details, those small things that you overlook, you ignore, right? Those things, those if statement, for loop, those are the beautiful things in JavaScript. Things like this now, this is simple for loop, but some people that have been here, have been coding for 5, 6, 7 years, but did not realize that I actually starts at 10. Some people will not know, some people will not remember. Well, thank God you are here today to learn this for the first time. Oh my God. I love JavaScript, sha. Okay, so yeah, what else to talk about here? We'll talk about this nonsense. So okay, let me do something. I say let x is equals to one. If I do if x is equals to x, so log true. If I consider log, if I run this code, what am I going to get if I consider? I get what? I get what? True. Wait, I want to know, is it that you guys are doubting your basic JavaScript knowledge? I don't laugh tire for this place. We are the doubting our JavaScript knowledge. Right. Okay. Okay, now let's play this so that's what we get. We get through. Okay. Bro, you're in a noisy place. Okay. So now, what if we have something different? Let's say we have so okay, what do I use now? Let's x is equals to this. Okay, let me move this one. Fine. If I consider log x is equal to y, what am I going to get? False. Nothing happened. Why? Why? They're called what's called reverse size variable. An object. Which object are you seeing here? Okay, what happened to array? Why? What am I going to? Why am I getting what? What? Yeah. Okay, let me put number inside. Okay, like this now, uncle. What do I get? Does everybody understand why it's going to be false? Okay, please explain. Explain. People don't understand what you explain. Who wants to explain? So how can I fix this? How can I fix this error? Like, is there a way I can make this equal? Like, See if I can see any way to go about this. Yeah. Yeah. I want a way that I want to equate x and y and they will be equal. Ah. I should join. I should join them. Like, to join. I should join again. Eh? X. X will join. The join. And this. I want x to be equal to y. I should do it here too. So, okay. Let's see. Okay. 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 So the way to compare them is convert them from one data type to another data type, right? Is that the only way? So that way. Oh God, Jesus Christ. My brother, your solution is that you just change add one more equal to and then our problem is solved, right? Let me tell you that you're wrong. You're wrong, yeah. As in, like, okay, let's look for another way. There's one way for includes includes. What am I including? X X dot includes. Okay, I'll say true. Funny enough, yeah, I don't know how that this work or not. I say I don't know if it work or not. It doesn't work. Okay. Yeah, I guess it wouldn't. But I was not really sure. Wait. Let me hear Joyce. Joyce, what do you want to say? Wait. Let me hear Joyce first. Just speak up. Let me hear you. I can hear you. What are you saying? Eh, we yes, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to point them to the same variable. I want to have them in different variables and I want them to be equal. Okay, so yeah, my brother, I can continue. My brother, what's his name again? What's his name? Yeah, I can continue. Who was talking before? Okay. Okay, so how do you make this one work now? Okay, let's have the follow up. What kind of follow up do you want? Straight the normal follow up. Okay. I less than what? How much? Why will it not work? Okay, so how are we going to confirm this? No. Hmm. Uh huh. Well, okay. Okay. Let me do this. Let me make this something that for X in X. I just throw things up like that. Now they shock you for this place, sha. For X in X. Okay, please speak up, please. Okay. For loop. Are you serious? It's quite simple now. Okay. Okay. Yes, you can use anything you want. Okay. Uh, let's see. Should we also write let D? Let D. I don't understand. Let's see. Consider log. Let's see. Okay. Consider this. Okay. Consider log. Like I should like this or like double equal to. But this will give us false, right? It's give us false now. Come on. Like it's always still gonna give us false. Yeah. Eh, what you'd have said is you can just say uh, let's you know okay, let's say x is equals to a, then you get true. Yeah, so this is how you want to get through with Magu Isha, but yeah, nice try. Actually, I was waiting for somebody to bring up this actual solution, and thank God somebody brought it up. So yeah, let me just fix it up for you for the person. Or can you fix it up yourself, or should I fix it up for you, Mr. John? Should I fix the code for you? Don't fix it yourself. Okay, go. Okay, I say compare. Okay, check. Yeah, I don't actually need to pass parameters. You don't need to. Okay, so what do we do? But this. Okay, if okay, okay, you know what? I want to flood. I'll flood the code for you now. True. I'm going to flood this code for you. So this first time going to return true. It's going to run perfectly well. You need to get true. Okay, sorry, I didn't call the function. Okay, get true, right? I'm going to change this to 4. I'm actually going to get true. And play it. I get true. I get true. Even if I change this one to, if I change this one to 5, I'm still going to get true. Let me now show you like that. Okay, so how do we fix that? How do we fix that? Not nah. That's not how we fix this thing. No, not. We should not. You know. Well, I don't want to. Okay, let me hear other solutions, but not using not double loop. Okay. So what are we going to be returning then? Okay. So how we can do this, right? Is you can just do something like this. You can say let x or let result, right? Equals to to not work, brother. It's not going to work. Trust me. Like if you can trust me, if you can trust me, it's not going to work. I said it's not going to work. Eh, okay, we want to confirm if x and y are equal in values. Yes, like they are the same thing. So we don't want to say x is equal to x or y is equal to y. We have two different arrays, x and y. But we want to confirm if they are equal, right? So this is actually the only way we can do it. Let's say we can say x is true, right? This is for if this is not the only way. Sorry for saying that. This is one of the ways we can do it, right? So, so if x and y is equal, if they're equal, so you can say result, right, is equals to true. Okay, but even at this might still not work in the sense like if okay, yes, this might there's still a flaw in this actually. There's still a flaw in this logic. I just thought about it now and I can see a flaw in this logic. The reason why there's this flaw is because every single time this goes right, if this is 4, it's still gonna return true. I'm still gonna get true last. Okay, so uh the only way we can yes. Okay, wait. The only way we can actually get I'm coming, sorry. The way we can actually get this to work, right? To break is okay. Okay. Okay, now I see the knot thing. I see the knot thing that you're talking about. I see it now. Okay, yes, you're actually correct. It's not to work actually. It's the only way to work. not to work. Okay. So we can say if yeah, you're actually correct, not to work. So yeah, you can talk. So why we ternary operator inside the if statement? Do you know do you know what the ternary operator is? Are you guys are just throwing big words up and down? Ternary operator is basically an if statement, right? You're checking it's on this. It- why would ternary operator work instead of an if statement? Is it- you can use an if statement to do that too now. Like the if statement clearly do exactly the same thing, if not even better. Okay, so actually, the actual way I can think of it is wait, even at that self, the not okay, yes, yes, not to work. Yeah, so you can do this, and then if this is not equal to this, right, then return false. That's the only way this works. Yeah, I said this is actually no, when you mentioned that when you mentioned I actually remember and I actually remember that you're actually correct. So I'm saying now that it will work for your if state for your the interpreter will work actually. You can say return true. So this is the way this could work. Any other way might be okay. I don't know. I'm looking for another way, but I'm not found one yet. Okay, let's see. So yeah, this return false. But let's change it back to two. And then we should get through. So yeah, this is actually the way it will work. Let me change this to five. Then I'm to get false. Yeah, change this to three. Let me change this five and this one to five. You know the beautiful thing about this particular class? We have not even done anything we're supposed to do today. We've not gone through this book one piece, but we spent hours. Wait, I hope you guys enjoy these things I'm doing for you guys, like this task, this memory stuff, this whole thinking thing. Does it work? Do you guys like it? Should we just continue with the book tomorrow? Or guys like it? Let me hear what people. What do you guys think? Because I feel just run through this book. I feel run but I'm trying to like pick your brains. You guys like it? Okay. Um. Okay. We talked about if statements. If statements. Um. Pick a number prompt. If num greater than 10. If 100 is less than medium. Yeah. So there's ifs and if else statements. So that should not be a problem for you guys now. You guys are agbas in this house. So let's see. Uh, I don't think this is anything. Wait. Okay, let me just explain it right. So we are going to give a norm. Let's say norm. Let's norm. Or does everyone want to try and explain it? What happened at norm is equal to 5? If norm is 5, what will happen? What if norm is minus 5? Okay, what if norm is what kind of trick question they can I throw again? You're actually correct. It's considered looks small. Okay, let me see number minus. Let's see. It's 11. Or let's not be 10. Let's not be 10. What happened? Does everybody agree? Huh? Hello? No. Okay. Why? What do you think is considered? And that's what she said now. She said she's considered like medium. Okay, okay. I thought you wanted to give us a different answer. Oh, okay. Okay. So while and do loops. So now we're entering loops. Consider a program that outputs all numbers or even number from 0 to 12. One way to write this as follows: 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This works, that works, but the idea of writing a program is to make something less work out, not more. If we needed an even or even numbers less than 1,000, this approach would be unworkable. We need what we need is a way to run a piece of code multiple times. It's called a loop. Okay, let me ask, why do we need a loop in JavaScript? Look at that way. Two reasons why we need loops in JavaScript. Why do we need loops? Okay, I want someone to give me an example of one person will give me the reason why we need loops. One person will give me an example of why loop is needed. Okay, so give me an example. Yeah, I heard you. Give me an example of why, like, what a loop can be valuable for. And I want to give me an example, like, okay, where is it that a counter? Eh? Can you select multiple elements? Why? I don't understand. Mm. Oh, you're talking about DOM manipulation. Oh, DOM manipulation. Okay. Ah, my brother, you are not very, very clear. Or you're not able to make a point clear. So you want to select multiple elements. I'm not taking your direction. But yes, you can actually use loops to loop through different DOM elements. Okay, so yeah, thank you. Okay, so why we need loops is for iterative tasks. Eh? Okay, thank you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I resonate with your point. I get you clearly. Yes. You can actually, but you can actually do that. You can just select a lot of elements. If you have if you have like let's say you have document, which selector. Press selector all is actually going to select multiple elements for you. Like all the elements that matches this condition, right? It's good to select them. Let's say you have like an li. All the li's, it's good to select every single of them. So your answer for using loops to select multiple elements is wrong. You can actually select multiple elements without a loop. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to actually give you a zero for that answer. Okay. So why do we need loops in JavaScript? If anybody wants to go, now is the time, or I should just say it. We need loops for okay, exactly repetitive tasks that can be can I put it now? Can be can be exactly. So example of a repetitive task. Let's say I have an array, an array that is empty, and I want to fill this array to like I want to have 1,000 numbers in this array. So I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, but it's not going to work. Like it's not going to be easy. It's going to work, but it's not going to be easy. But which other way can I fill this number array with 1,000 numbers? Can you help me? It wants to 1,000. I want to fill 1,000. Hmm. I want to fill this array with 1,000 numbers. 1,000. Okay. 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 Mm-hmm. Okay. Are you plus quoted? Are you sure this is how to do that? Okay. Okay. But I'm going to get zero and I'm going to get 1,000. Alright. So when I control log, yeah, you see 1,000 numbers inside, right? Yeah, correct. Okay. So arrays, sorry, loops are for iterations or repetitive tasks that can always be repeated should be done with loops, right? Are we clear? Okay. So so if we need looping control flow allows us to go back to some point in the program where we want to go where before and repeat it with our current program state. We can combine this with binding account. I can do something like so. You can have like a number is equal to 0, while number is less than 12. Console log number, and then add to the number. So the first time loop is running is going to give 0. Loop is going to be 0. Number is 0. 0 is less than 12. console log number, which is 0. Now, saying that console number should be 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. So this will be going to come again. So 12 is less than 2. It's going to come again. So this is going to be 2 plus 2, 4. 12 is less than 4. So this is going to run like 6 times or 5 times. 6 times. The statement starting with the keyword while creates a loop. The word while is followed by an expression in parentheses and then a statement. Much like if the while loop entering that, much like if, sorry, the loop entering, the loop keeps entering that statement as long as the expression produces a value and gives true when converted to boolean. The number binding demonstrates the way a binding can track the progress of a program. Every time the loop repeats, number gets a value that is two more than the previous value. At the beginning of every repetition, it is compared with the number 12 to decide whether the program work is finished. As an example that actually does something useful, you can write a program that calculates and shows the value of 3 power 10. It's 3 power 10. We use two binding. We want to keep track of the result, and I want to count how often we have multiplied this result by 2. The loop tests whether the second binding has reached 10, and yet, if not, update both binding. So we have let result is equal to 1, counter is equal to 0. While counter is less than 10, result is equal to result times 2. Counter is equal to counter plus 1. So now we get that our when we console log our results, get our results to be 1024. So so while this counter is less than 10, so this counter is going to count from 0 to 10. This result is going to be multiplied twice. This number is going to go from 2, sorry, from 1 times 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So while this number becomes true, and when 10 is equals to 10, this counter will be 1024. Does that make sense? Eh? Exactly. I just said now doesn't make any sense. Makes sense. Okay. Any other person? The people that are benefiting on the car are people that are actually saying things. If you're just there, just keep quiet. You will just be there and you keep getting quiet. So please, if you don't understand, trust me, I will try my best to explain again. I ask you questions. So, okay, let somebody else try and explain. Someone that gets what I will try to explain. Okay. I guys don't explain. Sorry, doesn't go the sun now. Hmm? Okay. Okay, so the counter could also have started at 1 and checked for I is less than or equal to 10. But for reasons that will be apparent in chapter 4, it's a good idea to get used to counting from 0. A do while a do loop is a control structure that's similar to to a while loop, sorry. So this is a do while loop, right? I don't really encourage anybody to actually touch it. It's quite not something that so you can do anything that you can do with the dual loop. You can actually do it with any other a for loop. There are times when you actually need to use a dual loop. I think I've seen a use case for a dual loop, but it is a data structure algorithm question, right? So I don't think basic basic coding concepts require dual loops. Yeah, indenting code. This is just telling you that it should be indent. Is I like to use two spaces for every open block. Indentation is important, sure. Your code editor will help you, especially when you're doing JavaScript, to help you do the indentation for you. For loops, many loops follow the pattern shown in the while loop. First, a counter binding is created to track the progress of the loop. Then a while loop. Then comes a while loop, usually with a test expression. Checks whether the counter has reached its end. And then on the loop body, the counter is updated to track the progress. Because the pattern is so common, JavaScript and similarly provide a slightly shorter and more comprehensive form for the for loop. So this a for loop is basically a dual loop, right? But a shorter version. So I want to write. I want to write. Okay, let's say we have an array, right? Let's yeah. Let's do this. I want to write a for loop that would add 0 to 10 in this array. Like I want 0 to 10 in this array using a normal for loop. You can help me out with the code. Yeah, the array. Yeah, 0 yes to 10. Yeah. No, no, no. It's just a normal question. You know how I like asking basic questions. Hmm. Yes, Susie follow. This is not a true question, I promise. Okay. Yeah. So when I play it, I should see 1 to 10, 0 to 10. Because I want to use the for loop, sorry, the while loop to do it. You can help me out. Hey, this Joyce. Only you want to learn everything. No, it's good. Though. It's good. It's good. It's good. You actually learn. You're actually answering because you actually want learning this thing. So yeah, yes, one. Huh? While what? I okay. Okay. I plus plus. Like this, have you? Like this. Like this. Who can tell me where the flaw in this code is? So what's the fix? See? So I has 1 to 11. So how do you fix this thing? This is the array we get. And this is not all ones. Okay. Yeah. It works now. You said? I heard somebody call like my dad. Okay. So the program is equivalent is exactly equivalent to the even no, number printing. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Is it? Okay. Sorry. Okay. You know why? You know why? Who can explain why 11 is there? Huh? What's this guy say? Exactly. He added when he saw that I is 10. It got to this point. At that point, I is 10. He added one to it. I to be 11 and pushed it. That's what he did. Huh? He didn't go one more round. He didn't go one more round. Yes, he just added and pushed it. He didn't go one more round. But say one more round is not okay. I'll leave it there. Okay. Okay. I'm tired for now. I'm tired. Should you call it a day? Tired. Guys, yeah. Today's class, I said it almost didn't hold because I'm tired. So, I'm tired. I need to get rest. Yeah. Well, we're doing this for love of JavaScript, right? God damn. You're not paying money, you're shouting, yeah. Let's continue. Okay, so the parentheses after a four keyword must contain two semicolons. Hmm. Why? The part before the first in semicolon initializes, which is this part, right? Usually by defining a binding. Second part is the expression that checks whether the loop must continue, right? The final part updates the state of the loop after every iteration. And it's this. So this is counter plus plus. You know, counter plus plus is written as this counter is equals counter plus one. True or false? True. Yeah. So the same thing. What else? How else can we write this again? Is another way again? Thank you. Yeah, you're late. See the area, sir. Okay. So breaking out of a loop. Hmm. Having the loop condition produce false is not the only way to a loop can finish. There is a special statement called break that has the effect of immediately jumping out of the closing loop. This program illustrates the break statement. It finds the first number that is greater find the first number that is both greater than or equal to 20 divided by 7. So let's current equals 20. Current equals current plus 1. So you can actually skip this loop condition to check if something is uh when the loop should break or when the loop should not break. So current is equal to 20, right? But there's no current if current is less than whatever break. Do you understand? That is handled here. This is now more like a while loop ish because there's no incremental exactly there's no condition to break it. So current is current plus one. So if current percentage 7 is equals to 0, consider the current, right? And break. Uh, so when current runs first time, current percentage 7 is not 0. 20% 7 is not 0, right? So it does not break. But then current becomes 21 and then loop breaks because current percentage 7 is 0, right? So current percentage 7 is 0. That's three minus 0. That's 0. Using the percentage operator is an easy way to test whether a number is divisible by another number. If it is, the remainder of their division is 0. The for construct is in the example does not have a part that checks for the end of the loop. This means that the loop will never stop unless the break statement inside is executed. So this has become a while loop. So you can actually convert a for loop to a while loop. How? How? Huh? Okay. So if you were to remove that break statement or accidentally write an end condition that produces true, the program will get stuck in an infinite loop. A program stuck in an infinite loop will never finish running, which is usually a bad thing. So the continue keyword is similar to the break in that it influences the progress of a loop. When continues encounter the loop body, control jumps out of the body and continues with the loop's next iteration. Okay. Updating binding succinctly, especially when looping, a program often needs to update a binding to hold a value based on that binding previous value. Counter is equal to counter plus one. You know, same thing as this. Same thing as this. Dispatching on switch. We're talking about switch statements now. Passing a value on switch. If S is equals to so one. Yeah, it's construct to switch. Talking about switch statements now. So you guys gonna learn switch this one on your own. This is not hard. Switch is just saying it's just like an if statement. Capitalization. Ah, comment. It's not anything. Summary. We don't finish. You now know that the program is built out of statements, which themselves sometimes contain more statements. Statements tend to contain expressions, which themselves are built out of smaller expressions. So statements are built from expressions. Putting statements after one another gives you a program that is executed from top to bottom. You can introduce disturbances in the flow of control by using conditionals, if else, and switch, and looping, do, while, and for statements. Bindings can be used in file places of data under the name. Bindings can be used in to file pieces of data under the name, and they are useful for tracking states in a program. The environment in the set of bindings are defined. JavaScript system always put a number of useful standard bindings into your environment. Functions are special values that encapsulate a piece of program. You can invoke them by writing function. Such a function called is expression. Whatever. Next class, we're going to be solving this particular example. The trap. Or should we just do it now? Should we do it now? What do you guys say? Let's do it now. Eh? Let's do it now. How do you solve this question? I go. Who wants to go first? John says write a loop that makes 7 calls to the console log output the following triangle. Anybody, please. Now it's time to meet. Let us do it if you don't want to partake. Eh? See, I'm currently tired right now. So if you guys are not going to tweet, I'm just going to shut down my laptop. I got sleep. Okay. So let's either we do just 3 questions. One, two, and three. That's all. 3 questions. I don't know. Ibu should solve anyone. You can solve as much as possible. Just three, not even much. Can solve one or even solve two self. Solve the three self. Anyone. But the first one, let's solve it first. Yeah, let's go now. What's the purpose? Um, yes. Yes, I think now. I know. Let's go now. What said oh yeah and then he went to mute his mic. How do you say oh yeah and mute your mic? Mm, mm, okay. Well, you know you can actually just do seven. Do seven. So, yeah, yeah. X plus equals to h. Okay. Hmm? Like this. Okay. This W. Okay. Yes, correct. So is this the only way to do it? Well, you actually tried. Let's move on to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Hmm. It's meant to be seven. Sorry? Seven calls. What's number seven? And how do I turn? Go on. Like how? Wait, how do I turn to seven? Yeah, yeah. It's yeah, yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, seven. Seven. Alright, let's go on the fish balls. Who wants to take on fish balls? Fish balls. Okay. You guys As I argue for that's nice. I like this. The first time we did this thing, nobody was. I was one that was solving the question for myself. Thank God you are here. Oh yeah, let's go. Anybody? Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Much is 100 you're going to. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I plus plus. I'm not wicked. Okay. Actually, it's divided. You said so. Sorry. Thank you for reminding me. You said divided. You cannot change your amount. Okay. 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 Are you googling this thing? Okay. Oh. Huh? Okay. Yes. Well, you said only what? So you need help. It's really need help. All right, let's go. What's another method? Jesus, where have these boys been all this while? Let's go. Another method. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. We don't use a for loop, a do while loop. What kind of loop don't you? Work now. Okay, actually, no. Okay, okay. That's a difficult. Okay. Ah, yes, coming now. We're solving Fizzballs. Number two. After you're done with chapter exercise two, these exercises, so we've done this one. This is eloquent JavaScript. This is the book now. It's not the different JavaScript group, it's the same JavaScript group. You have gone through the book. Which JavaScript group are you in? Oh, algorithm. You have an algorithm. I don't know the group yet that you belong to. That's the thing. I don't know. I don't know if there's a class that you're comparing to this class that is different. Yeah, that I'm saying, like, I don't know the class that you're going to. The class you're going to. Yeah, for what I'm hearing, there are different groups now. There's a different algorithm group that I don't know about, and then there's this one that I know about. So, okay. So the thing is, which of the groups are you looking to join? The group that she's talking about, or this? Okay. So you can send. Okay. Yes. 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 Okay. So actually, the wait, let's confirm. You see, does not have Facebook actually. Funny enough. You said? Okay. Okay. Which of the groups? Yeah. Hmm? Alright, let's try this one. Let's say 15. Okay. So this is the solution. Yeah, so someone was trying to give us another solution. And that solution to this problem. Oh yeah, yeah. Let's go, let's go. I like hearing another solution there. Forward. Okay. Mm-hmm. Equals 100. Okay. So you, are you sure it's not the same thing that we just did now? Is that what we want to do? Okay, that what we want to use. Okay. Okay, tell her repeat. I thought you want to use like something different. Oh, don't stress me like this again. I'll break your head, I swear. Yeah. If there's anybody that doesn't know that the guy still repeated to this, let me see you now or forever hold your peace. Anybody that doesn't know the general, like I still repeated to this. Alright, let's just repeat on. Let's repeat on. It's actually a very good thing. Actually, you're actually right. You know. So okay, now give us the repeat off. I think you're messing it up. So the ternary repeat off. Yes, you're messing up the tenaries. Yeah, so it's not going to be in the console. No, like see what you did now. See what you did. Where do you want to put canary? Is it inside the console you want to? My brother, don't do like that. My brother, okay. Basically, tenor repeaters are like if statements, right? So you're not going to have what you're going to have is something like I modulus 15, right? Then you now have your console log, right? How do you want to do it that way? Okay. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, sorry. Ah yeah, oh yeah, please, go do your way. Oh yeah, continue. I percentage three is what? 1 percentage five. Oh sorry. I'm feeling sleepy. That's why. Sorry. Yeah. So what do I do now? This. No, it's like this. Was try to write fuse bots. I'm not to write exactly the way you want it. But no, this is what it said. Fuse bots. Oh, yeah, now. You know what? Let me stop the recording so that people